Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a very exciting video. We're gonna do yet another SHEIN haul, and I'm not sure if you follow me on social media, but I just announced that I am pregnant. And what does this video have to do with me being pregnant? Well, us ladies, we do tend to gain weight, but especially for me, it's not only in the belly area, it's kind of everywhere else. And around a week ago, we've been to Venice, and I imagine myself being on a bridge with my husband in a beautiful long SHEIN dress, but the shipping didn't arrive in time. It was also my fault because I put in the order quite late. However, one of the dresses that I ordered, they didn't have it, and this kind of delayed all of the items and all of the delivery. But it's fine, I do have everything right here. I opened some of them because I just couldn't help myself, and yeah, we're gonna go through them one by one and show you everything. So I'm almost 5 months pregnant, and I gained around, yesterday I weighed myself like 7 kilograms. Yeah, that's kind of a lot, but it is what it is, you know. So this is the first dress. I can't really show it to you because it's super long, but the material is quite nice. It's a little see-through. It's size M, and it has this beautiful detail around the bust area, and it kind of sucks in here, and here kind of flows. So for me it will be good because of the belly, obviously. So I'm just gonna show it to you in a moment. Now let's see how much I paid for it.
A few moments later.
This dress I paid £10.50, which is, guys, it's a bargain. Now you tell me that this wouldn't look good on a bridge in Venice. I feel more like French than Italian, but still, it's such a cute outfit, and I feel like everything goes together, and my heart is broken, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm really happy with this outfit. We're gonna go soon in Germany anyway, so I'm gonna wear this outfit then, so it's not really like a lost or anything. The next dress that I ordered, it has this interesting pattern. The sleeves and the bottom half of the dress, they look the same. It's also quite see-through, this one. Yes, I bought it in size L, and the price is £7.31, which is amazing. But it's just so, ooh, it's just so, I don't know, the material is so flowy. I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's not heavy at all. It's very good for spring. So yeah, I'm quite excited about this one as well. This is the dress that I really wanted to wear in Venice, because Aline was thinking about to wear like a brown outfit, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna, you know, buy something brown as well to kind of go like matchy. And you guys, this is the dress. Don't tell me if this isn't very classy and gorgeous, and the material is so nice. It's made out of like a sweater-ish material. It's just beautiful. And I paid for this one £13 and 12 pence, and the size is L. It's a little bit big on me right now, but I know at some point it's gonna be perfect because I'm gonna gain more weight, obviously. And yeah, let's show you the other items. Oh my god, yes, this beret will go amazing with the black dress. Look how cute it is. With these pearls right here. They're just so pretty. Today it's so windy and the sun is coming in and out of the clouds, so that's why the light is not the best, the lighting. But anyway, for the beret I paid £5. Now I also ordered a wig and it looks like this. I have a similar blonde wig, similar length, similar color, but that one I have it for like more than 2 years and it's kind of like bye-bye, you know what I'm saying? So I really wanted to buy another one because from time to time, why not? I do like to wear wigs because I miss my hair. Now obviously I am gonna style this for you to see it, but for now I just wanted for you to have a look. My god, it's so soft, you have no idea. It feels a little thin, yeah, in this side, yeah, but it is gorgeous, guys. It's so nice. Oh my god, let me see how much I paid for this one. Exactly £10, and it's called White Gold Butterfly Long Hair Synthetic Fringe Wig for Women. Ooh, that's a mouthful, girl. I knew I was forgetting something. So this is the wig. It's super nice and soft, but the fringe, it comes in my eyes, so I can't really leave it like that, so I had to put a hair clip. You can also put a beret or a hat to keep the fringe in place. Let's have a look. Ooh. Yeah, no, it's super pretty. I really love it. It's quite long. Yeah, I love it. It's so cute. Let me hide this clam right here. Yeah, what do you think, guys? It's very pretty for £10, girl. The last wig that I had, I bought it from Amazon. That looks kind of the same, and I paid £30 around 2-3 years ago. So yeah, this is an upgrade. Before I forget, I also bought this gorgeous phone case, and last time it was my fault because when I ordered the other case with the hearts on it, I ordered for iPhone 13 Pro, and this is iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I am an idiot. But anyway, for this one I paid £2.20, and you guys, it's so pretty, so feminine. Like, look at this. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. Now I also bought some socks and earrings, so that's pretty much it with the dresses. Oh, and I got a discount code of 15% off of my next order, which I'm excited about, obviously. I bought these socks, one pair of white and one pair of black socks with these beautiful pearls. For this one I paid £1.73. I also bought some other socks. They're more from this kind of, wait, what? Oh, yes, they're socks. They look different. Sorry, they looked very different when I looked at them. They're so small. They look like socks for babies. Anyway, I'm sure they're gonna fit me. Let's see how much I paid for this one. So for 5 pairs of polka dot socks, I paid £2. Now these earrings, I already opened them, and look how gorgeous they are. However, they do have a small flaw. They kind of disintegrated, so I need to fix them. But other than that, I really love them. They're so nice. I also bought a very classic, I don't even know if it's called Victorian or whatever it's called, necklace. But it's just so gorgeous. Look at this. You can't see it, so let me put my hand. Yeah, so it looks something like this. It's gorgeous. So for the earrings, I paid £2.60. For the necklace, I paid £2. I also bought like a facial massage, kind of like a gua sha. I'm not sure if it's exactly like gua sha, made out of this material, but for this one I paid £1.25. And the last item, finally, I know we're here. You made it. Do you see the roses? Oh, they're just gorgeous. They're so elegant and beautiful with some pearls. So for these earrings, I paid £1.52. Guys, thank you so much for staying with me till the end of the video. It was such a fun video for me to do, and I really hope from now on I will keep on going and doing videos, even though the belly's gonna be big. That's really my desire and my dream. And I will also post some updates from my personal life. And yeah, make sure to stay tuned and see you in my next ones. Bye!